Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, employees of the Royalton Negril Resort are demanding higher wages and improved working conditions. Demonstrating outside the luxury hotel, workers expressed dissatisfaction over stagnant salaries and a lack of adequate benefits despite rising living costs. The Monday morning protests also include guests standing in solidarity with the hotel workers. My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus. You see, all of these things, really and truly, I go tell you now. Yeah, me not feel sorry for the hotel workers them. Me not feel sorry for them, none at all. Because it take them too long to come out and protest. Yes, it take them too long to come out and protest, my wisdom warriors. Not saying whatever they're doing to them, it is not right. It is not right. But sometimes we have to take a stand. We can't wait till we back against the wall and everybody run out to take a stand. No, man, we have to come out. Look how long it take, Look how long it take to come out. Really and truly, I do not feel sorry for them. I do not, because you know why? I remember when they fired that youth, my wisdom warriors. I can't remember his name right now. But me I go read up about that youth. Who remember when that youth go out a road and protest because they fire him for no reason? Who remember? And he call on all the other workers them to come out because they not get good treatment in the hotel settings. Who remember? And not one person come out with him. Even though they know what them are go through, The hotel workers, they know what them are go through. Not one of them come out and support him, my wisdom warriors. Him alone, they road a protest. All police come to arrest him. Hear this. Who remember in a 2022, the 4th of July, former hotel worker Matthew Rodney, who was recently dismissed from his job under controversial circumstances, says he is not dismayed by this morning, July 4th, lack of support for a protest in Montego Bay. Former hotel worker protesting against injustice to workers in tourism sector says he is not dismayed by lack of support from fellow employees. My wisdom warriors, this man, him alone come out. He even asks workers to come out and stand with him. And not one of them not stand with him. You don't know why? Because I never them in that position. Not one hotel worker come out and stand with him. And they know what them are go through in the hotel. They know what them are go through in the hotel. Me know this day they are go come. I knew it, my wisdom warriors. I knew it. So this day I go come. Because I said it. I said it just because them never in the position. Remember, them fire the youth. But the youth say, appear injustice are going, Appear things are going, The workers, they not get treated right, You understand? The workers, they not get treated right. And he say, they come out and stand with him. Not one of them. Not one of them. So this is the reason why me really not feel sorry for the hotel worker them. Me I telling you the truth. Me I telling you from my heart, me not feel sorry for them. I don't. Whatever is happening in the hotel tourist, whatever industry, it is not supposed to happen, my wisdom warriors. Me disagree with the whole of that. Then fi treat the workers them right. Them fi treat the workers them right, my wisdom warriors. But they choose not to treat them right. You understand? And the workers, they no say, make them come together and stand up. Not one of them say, make them come together and stand up. When this youth come out to Matthew Rodney and he call upon the other employee them to come out. Not one of them come out. Not one of them, because I never them did I face it at the time. But now we don't see what happened. But if one did come stop, me did say it, You see, if they did stand with him, then my wisdom warriors, this will not happen now. If they did stand with him in a 2022, I guarantee this will not happen now. But we have to learn the hard way. We have to learn the hard way. taking this. Hotel workers right now from Royalton not happy with Wagwan.
Yes, Mr. Edmund, Amal here. I am asking you, please, sir, please to come and address what is going on in the hospitality industry. Right? We need better representative to the staff in the hotel industry. Too much ill treatment. Please, 2 day off. That need to come in. A system, 2 day off. And 8-hour shift. 40-hour work week. Too much overwork staff in the hotel industry. Please. If we don't overtime, no pay them, just treat we as them feel like. That's it.
My wisdom warriors, me glad how them a wake up. Me glad how them a wake up. This is an eye opener. This is an eye opener. When Matthew come out, when Matthew Rodney came out, my wisdom warriors, in 2022, me I go show you the video with Matthew Rodney because me have it right here. When Matthew come out, him alone come out and stand up for the hotel workers them because what them do to him and he asks for a union, my wisdom warriors. I think all Matt Golden did all reach out to him. Yeah? I remember my wisdom warriors very, very well. I mean, no say this day did I come. But you nobody never want to stand with him. Because guess what? Them never in that the problem there. I never feed them. I never feed them fight. So they never care. Them never care. And I knew this day is going to come. Me say it, my wisdom warriors. Me say it. So when me see this happen, it's an eye opener. It's an eye opener. You understand? Because listen, I'm not only in a Royalton Hotel alone, you know. I'm not only in a Royalton Hotel alone. This happen, my wisdom warriors. And just because these people can't take it no more, that's why them come out. Just because these workers cannot take it no more. And our workers deserve the best. Our workers deserve the best, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, they do.
Every department out there. You have maintenance, you have dining room, public care, water sports, sanitation. Everybody out there, everybody outside. Royalton Nigel. Royalton Nigel. Royalton staff is striking today. They are tired of the mistreatment, lack of money, no food, no water, no juice. It's like a prison there, no freedom. Yeah, man. And too much corruption too. Up ahead too, corrupt. Yeah, man, HR and shuffle up because a beer nonsense are going up there. Every department out there. You have maintenance.
So my wisdom warriors, you know hear what the workers have to say. You know see what I go on from what I go on. So then usually have the buses them will bring them round. So it has come to my attention that the buses them will always drop them go work. Them are gonna stop that. The free food where they usually eat and the free juice them are gonna stop that. Listen, mighty God of Daniel. Them a treat them bad like the condition is not good. And it take on so long. This is my question. Why it take on so long? Why does it take on so long? My wisdom warriors, and I know this is going, you know, a long time it going just because they can't take it no more. Just because they cannot take it no more. And then she say it's actually getting worse. Them say it is actually getting worse. But anyway, me I go make you listen to Matthew Rodney. Cause remember, you know, Matthew Rodney did come out in 2022 and did a protest. Hear this.
Apply for like a 3-day permit and for it to be a peaceful march. So the police require of me, the assistant superintendent outlined to me like it's not illegal for me to protest, but I have to give them like a 3-day, apply for like a 3-day permit and for it to be a peaceful march or a peaceful protest. So which he have informed me and even outlined some detail to me on what step should I move further on from here. But my step further on from here is like is to shine an insight into the injustice that hotel workers actually face, and that we can't have a big sector like this without a union. There's nobody to represent us, nobody to talk. So like this foreign investor could like cheat us anyhow, and it's like, you know, there's nothing coming up. Well, there's nobody to represent us. There's nowhere to actually go to voice a concern or nothing. You understand? So my move from here is to actually get people on board who actually come in with the proper advice or the proper infrastructure, whatever they can come in with and come on board. For we have to have a union. You understand? We need a union for all hotels workers. So that's my ultimate aim right now. So the only job I will ever take in Jamaica again is to work on the hotel union board for tourism workers. So that's my ultimate aim.
Okay, so you put out a social media post asking for support. We didn't see a lot of anybody, as a matter of fact, with you today. Has that defeated you, and how will you proceed?
It's not defeated me, because I'm a strong individual, like mentally. Like, you understand me, I'm strong mentally, I believe in myself. It's all about belief. If you believe, once you believe in yourself, you can move mountain, man. Because remember, man, mountain can move faith, if your faith is just small as a mustard seed, you can conquer the world, You understand? So, actually, I got people don't really believe. Because maybe they say, oh, I don't want to bartender or gimmicks in my look. Internet clout in my look, so they think a joke thing, but this actually I'm real life, so therefore I not really wait for people to come give me support. I actually show people say I stand up for myself because the injustice I face in my country where I born and grow. And I can't face this, so I just stand up for myself. You understand? So I just stand up for myself with my life and everything when I have just do it. You understand? So I can't really wait for people until people come. I just do it and make people see it first. In the hotel industry in Jamaica, and which the government of Jamaica is not doing nothing about it. Alright, look what I have right here.
Excuse me. Can you please go?
Alright, so we go listen to the police because me don't really want nobody beat me up and lock me up, because in Jamaica as a poor man you don't really have no rights and you don't beat up here and abuse you and the thing, you understand?
Please go.
Alright, a boss will come in, run you off a property, disrespect you. This is did this to several people, several amount of people. This was my first time actually ever meeting this person when the incident actually happened. And he just run me off the property for no reason.
How long do you plan to keep up this protest?
Man, until a union is formed, so all I need right now is people with more knowledge who can come on board and actually come with advice and an intention with the same mindset to actually could move forward, because the union have to form. And Jamaica people work in the tourism industry. Why you guys are so retarded? These people did enough for all along. All we need to do is take a stand and just put this to an end, brother. If all of us have come out today, we know what kind of change could actually happen.
You're still in the vicinity of the hotel.
Thank you very much for your time. Alright.
Yes, but you have to get a permission from the super. Yes,
I actually went to the Freeport police station and went to a sergeant that was in there.
No, the superintendent is the only person.
Sorry.
Who can drive. Right. No, you cannot tell me to shoot.
So this is not my constitutional right to protest. No, just make it clear. This is not my constitutional right to protest. This is not my constitutional right.
You have all rights to protest.
Alright.
You must give the superintendent 3 days notice before you do so. You have not done so, and so the superintendent wants to have a word with you. So he asked me to come and bring you to him. So please, can you please?
So come on. Hey, what's up?
Permission. So he can't drive down there himself?
So I can't drive down there myself?
I was told to bring you to him.
No, I will drive my car.
Where is your car?
My car is right there. I will drive my car.
We will allow you to go in your car.
Yeah. So alright, make this clear. So after I go to the superintendent, will I be granted the tree?
Have you applied?
Have to apply?
You have to apply.
Because I'm not trying to break the rules, because if I apply,
yes,
3 days time I'll come back and do this again. I'm not going to stop until it gets international attention.
Alright, firstly,
alright.
I don't want any international attention.
No, you have to. This has to stop.
Yeah, you have to do the right way. There's a right way to do.
Alright, I'm not going to disrespect the law because I'm a law-abiding citizen, obviously. Alright. That's why I decided to take a serious stand against it. You understand? Because that's why I decided to take a seat, because I work at Secrets Resort and a guy by the name of Dwight Alsal, who's the manager. He do the same thing. He did the same thing. And he did the same thing to a lot of people.
So my wisdom warriors, you know, see everything when Matthew, Rodney have to go through, every single thing. But guess what? The people them, the Jamaican people was showing him so much love, my wisdom warriors. They were so concerned about him. You know why? Because this man, he mean well, not for himself, but for other employees. Hotel employees, my wisdom warriors. You understand? And only can say this a man stand up for truth and rights. And guess what? Nobody never dare look upon him. And Mark Golden reached out to him, my wisdom warriors, and actually spoke to him. So hear this.
I just want to say thanks to everybody who tagged me in the video with Matthew Rodney. He and I spoke this morning, and I must say how wonderful it is to see the care and concern that so many Jamaicans have shown for him. One love, Jamaica.
Hello, Jamaica. Hello, world. everyone who know about my situation in Jamaica and in the rest of the world, or Jamaican across the world, and who actually share the similar. Because I've been getting a lot of support ever since when I went out and doing the last protest, where they actually tell me I need to apply for the permit. Here's the application for the permit actually in my hand. So currently I'm at the Freeport police station right now. At the Freeport police station, just dropping it off for the 19th of July, that is this month. In which, after when all of this started, I never wanted to have like an internet name or being a public figure, because before I was living a quiet life, you know. But I have come to my realization and understanding, because negativity is what's selling this generation. Even though the first video that went viral with me, it was like a very, you know, outburst video where I actually express myself in ways that if you work in the corporate industry, they would be like, that's not so professional, that is so unprofessional, in which I would take accountability for.
My wisdom warriors, you see, I'm glad when I get support, because from Mark Golden talk with him and stuff like that, and you know the thing said, he did get a lot of support, yeah? And I believe he was working afterwards. Yeah, but what I want to say to Andrew Holness and Edmund Barlett, every minute when I take out too much millions of dollars, I invest in this tourism, where uno claim say are only 15% alone Jamaica get. So why not invest so much money? Why not invest so much money if Jamaica only receive 15%? That makes sense? Something not right in my wisdom warriors. I believe the Auditor General need for audit the tourism money, you know. You need to audit Edmund Barlett. You need to audit Edmund Barlett. Mrs. Pamela Rose, the Auditor General, please, I'm asking you. You need to audit them the money they were Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark a Lego for Edmund Barlett. Because them say Jamaica only get 15% from tourism. Stakeholders and investors, the whole shebang get the rest. So really and truly, why are we putting and investing so money? Why are we taking taxpayers' money, investing so much money in tourism when the only thing we get back is only 15%? It doesn't worth it, something right. Unless una lie to the Jamaican people and una collect some other my wisdom warriors, me not trust them. Me not trust Edmund Barlett. I do not trust Edmund Barlett. I think the Auditor General need to do an auditing, yeah. An audit need to take place, because something not right. Too much millions of dollars is spending on the tourist area, and our hotel workers only get little bit of money. It don't make no sense. No Sankey can sing so. No Sankey can sing so. They deserve better. They deserve better. And me telling you all the time, you know. So this hotel business is a slavery business, you know. Me telling you all the while, my wisdom warriors. Jesus mercy. But me glad when I open up on the eye. Me glad. The government come out every day, kin off them 41 and them 42 teeth. How tourism is booming and this and that. Tourism is booming. But look what is happening now. Them are working in a poor condition. Wanna hear for yourself, my wisdom warriors. And every day Edmund Barlett are going like him are the best tourism minister Jamaica ever have. That's why I behave, Edmund Barlett. But look at what's going on. I would love for the other hotel, the other hotel workers them to come out. I would love for them to come out and talk to things them. Jesus and mercy, my wisdom warrior, something has to be done. Something has to be done. And we need a union for the hotel workers them. They need a union. They need somebody to stand up for them. Yes, they really do, my wisdom warriors. Because it's too much now. Enough is enough. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out. And subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. I want to run over to my next channel. It is called the PNP News Round channel. Guys, go over there and subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subs. Also, follow me on TikTok, follow me on X, and follow me on IG. The link I got there in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.